To perform a first setup on Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, you will need to power on your device. You can do it simply by clicking on the power button, the short button on the right side of your phone. Click and hold it until your device starts up. Then wait a moment until it's actually booted, and here we can see a first setup screen. So the next step would be to click on this arrow, unless you want to access the accessibility settings right here or perform the alarm call or emergency call. I'm gonna click on the arrow to proceed, and then we can pick a language that we want to use on our device. I'm gonna go for the English. Then we can set up our phone using our previous device. So we can go for Pixel or Android device that you've been using previously, or iPhone or iPad. I'm gonna skip that. I want a brand new phone to set up. Here you can connect to the Wi-Fi network, and I'm gonna try to skip it, but it is recommended you should connect yourself with the internet. Yeah, let's try to perform the setup offline. It's much easier that way, but we'll be missing few features. So anyway, here we can set up date and time, the time zone, date, as well as the time on the bottom. Then we can move to the next step and create a PIN password for our phone. If you don't want a PIN password, you can click on screen lock options and choose pattern or a password. Let's skip it though and move to the next step. Here you can customize the Google services, accept or disagree with any of the options below. And when you're ready, click on accept. Then we can set the limited warranty. To view your limited warranty, select the country where you bought this device, and you can choose whichever country you have. And it's also available at the settings, about phone and limited warranty. I'm gonna go for a Poland right here. And move to the next step. Then we have the get peace of mind, and you can adjust your settings right here, but I'm gonna skip them. We can use the swipe to navigate, to use gestures. I would like to use buttons. If you prefer the buttons on the bottom, click on the skip right there. And then we're finally all set. We can start to use our device, and that is basically everything.